Hey guys, Dav here from Affinity Vibe YouTube channel. Now this is the video series on pro level color grading in Affinity Photo. In this video I will show you red and green color grading effect. Plus you can download this free color grading effect as LUT that I have created in this video. Link in the video description and password in this video. So please watch this video till the end and unlock this free LUT file and use it in your project. Before start this video, be sure to subscribe and please hit that bell notification for getting update whenever I upload a new video. And you can follow me on my Instagram where I upload my new artwork on regular basis. Alright, as always, select your image, adjustment, channel mixture. Select green channel, make green 0, blue 100%. Go to blue channel, make green 100%, blue 0%. Change blend mode to lighten. Adjustment, selective colors. Here select colored reds, cyan -50%, yellow +100%. Keep rest as same. Go to neutrals. Cyan +20%. Magenta +5%. Keep rest as same 0. Go to blacks. Cyan +30%. Keep rest as same 0. Use levels. Black levels +5%, white levels 90%, output black levels +5%. Now select red, white levels 90%. Adjustment, HSL. Select red, saturation +15%. Select cyan, saturation -50%. use curves, master, and follow the step like this. Now make this effect as alert, file, export alert, give a title and save it as a cube file. Now go to adjustment, scroll down, alert, click this gear icon, import the effect and apply it. And that's it, this is my final output. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to click the like button, sharing this video, subscribing this Affinity Vibe YouTube channel to get more amazing Affinity Photo effect tutorials. Also, share your valuable comment on this video. You can connect me on my Instagram account, link in video description, and also you can check out the other amazing video just waiting for you in this channel playlist. Thanks for watching. I'm Dav from Affinity Vibe YouTube channel, and I will see you on the next video soon. Till then, keep practicing cause practice makes us perfect, and have fun with Affinity Photo.